Already another first to 10. Hiccup on the left, Hob on the right. Flip those and you have their handedness. All right, one to Hiccup. Simo.
The second wasn't good. You got my arm and I powered a shot with it. Okay. I got my shot for that one. Either way,
All right, so was that another one to Hiccup?
Yeah.
Two to Hiccup, 0 to Hob. Simo or another one to Hiccup?
Simo, okay. I don't really know what happened.
Okay, we're just gonna messy. We're gonna run that one back.
And a Hiccup, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. So 3 to Hiccup, 0 to Hob.
I'm just having fun. And it's not yours. What? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, back. Fine. I'm taking it. I need.
All right, 4 to Hiccup, 0 to Hob. It's the end of the night. We're very tired.
You're good. You're good. Yeah. A lot of fighting.
Simo.
You can hear it in the head. I'm back. You're good. Woo! Oh, yeah. Good shit.
All right, so 4 to Hiccup, 1 to Hob.
That's like the definition of fucking me ball. Yeah, that was a good call. Keep going like hell yeah. You tapped my finger, but it's.
So what was that? What was that? Okay, so it's 5 to Hiccup, 1 to Hob.
You're all right. This is my name. It's not your fault. Yeah. I know. 6 and 5 is good reason needed. It's a strong. No, it's all good. No worries. One longer than we top fan anymore, but this is where that's good. First is same, second is yeah. Okay.
Simo. All right, so it's still 5 to 1. Back to this again.
Got it. Also did it. I think it was emotion. I couldn't.
All right.
5-1.
Still 5-1. Still 5-1.
Yeah. There's no stopping that thing. Yep. I was like, here. Nice. Okay. There you go.
All right, so that's 6 Hiccup, 1 Hob.
Sorry, I can do that. No, we did that. So, that burns a little fry at this point. What? Check what? I'm dead. Oh! I did this.
7 Hiccup, 1 Hob.
Okay, I don't hit you for shit. Nope, I got tangled in the beat. So, okay, good on your fair. Okay.
Were you still alive there, Hiccup?
Like it.
All right, so 8 Hiccup, 1 Hob.
Oh, yeah, good. Sorry about that. You good? You grazed ribs, but nothing good.
All right, 2 Hob, 8 Hiccup.
10.
Nine Hiccup, 2 Hob.
Don't touch it. Oh, okay. Let's see walked into it. I did walk into it. Up to you. What am I doing?
All right, what was that?
It's not good enough. It was sus.
Okay, so Simo?
I would have taken it. Okay. I felt bad. I stopped my stab was recovering. You walked into it. I was super late. We got my arm back through. Good shit then. Good fights.
All right, yep, 10 Hiccup and 2 Hob. Something like that.
Unsolicited advice for your vet though.